Hey everyone! Today we're making the best and easiest moist chocolate cake ever. It's rich, soft, and unbelievably delicious. Perfect for any occasion. So grab your ingredients and let's bake this chocolate dream together. That's what you need. Flour, egg, sugar, water, oil, chocolate powder, baking powder, vanilla. First, add the flour into a mixing bowl. Then add the baking powder. Give it a quick mix and set it aside for now. In a separate bowl, start by pouring in the water. Then add the oil. Followed by the sugar. And finally, the cocoa powder. Mix everything gently until it's smooth and well combined. Once the wet ingredients are well combined, take a small portion of the mixture and set it aside in a separate cup. Now crack the eggs into a bowl. Make sure they're fresh and ready to mix in with the batter. Next, add the vanilla to the eggs. Mix everything really well until smooth and combined. Once the wet ingredients are well mixed, gradually add them to the flour and baking powder mixture. Stir gently until everything is fully combined. This helps the batter stay light and airy, giving the cake that perfect moist texture. Once everything is well combined, pour the batter into your prepared cake pan. And now our batter is ready to go into the oven. Place the cake pan in the oven at 180 degrees and bake it for about 45 minutes until it's perfectly risen and smells amazing. Now that our cake is baked and ready, take a wooden skewer and poke holes all over the top. This will help the chocolate sauce soak right into the cake and make it extra moist. Now, take the chocolate sauce we set aside earlier and slowly pour it over the cake. Use a spatula to spread it evenly so it soaks into every little part of the cake. Once the sauce has soaked in, and the cake has cooled slightly, pour the special chocolate sauce over the top. Spread it evenly with a spatula so the entire cake is covered and looks irresistible. And now, our cake is ready! Let's cut a slice to see the soft and moist texture inside. Look at how perfectly chocolatey and tender it is. Amazing! And that's it. Our moist chocolate cake is ready. Look at that soft, chocolatey goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious treats. See you in the next video.